Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Afreen Maheri. So yesterday's question paper psychology question exam was conducted yesterday 13th 10 2024. Here is the question and answers. So we'll clarify one and one. Identify the wrong statement with regard to emotions. So there are four options given. First one is children learn emotions by imitation. Children learn emotions by conditioning. Children are born with the emotion of fear. Along with attaining physical mental maturity, children get emotional maturity. So the answer is C, I mean 3. Children are born with the emotion of fear. So we'll continue with the second question. This is theory states that the similarity of keyboard in typewriter and computer makes a person who knows typewriting can learn computer easily. The options are theory of formal discipline, theory of identical elements, theory of generalization, theory of ideals. So the answer is theory of identical elements. So yeah, let's go with the third question. The concept that formed in children between age group of 3 to 5 years. So options are time concept, money concept, color concept, beauty concept. So answer is color concept. Let's go with the fourth question. So we have here fourth question. Secondary need among the following is air, temperature, exercise, clothes. So as per the material they have given exercise, but in this exam they have given clothes. So maybe options may be confused. So um, so this question is something doubt. So I think they'll add marks, maybe or may not be. So leave about that. Next, fifth question. The concept learning disability was introduced by. So they have four options as usual: Samuel Crick, Pygott, Vygotsky, Carl Rogers. So the answer is Samuel Crick, first one. Next, we have sixth question. An abnormal forgetting that can be occurred from mental or physical trauma. So the answer here is amnesia. I don't know how to pronounce this. If I pronounced wrong, please forgive me. So we'll go with the seventh question now. Seventh question is here. According to Vygotsky, the following is an example for higher mental process: questioning, comparing, identifying, synthesis. So the answer is synthesis, fourth one. Next, eighth question. Classroom is a miniature society. These words are stated by Kasturi Rangan, Aristotle, John Dewey, Rousseau. So the answer is John Dewey. Next question. Ninth question. Universal grammar theory is related to Skinner, Bandura, Chomsky, Galton. So the right answer is Chomsky. Next we'll go with the 10th question now. If you want, you can read in Urdu also, so I am telling in English. One of the following is explorative skill: predicting the reasons, having self confidence and faith, thinking creatively, estimating. The right answer is predicting the reasons. Next, according to RTE, Right to Education Act 2009, elementary education is. Options are first to fifth class, third to eighth class, first to seventh class, first to eighth class. The answer is first to eighth class. So the answer here is first to eighth class. So here is the next question, 12th question. Identify the correct pair. So answer is second answer, psychomotor domain manipulation. So this is the right answer. Let's see with the 13th question. Here we have the question. We'll see the answer next. Meaning of the file format docs. Document X. Word document. Word star document. Microsoft Word Open XML document. Microsoft plain text file. So let's see the answer first. So here the answer is Microsoft Word Open XML document. Next question. Author of the book on memory written. Author, who is the author of the book on memory? So he's asking that question. So the author is M.B. Goss. Next, 15th question. According to Erickson, the stage where individuals idolize and imitate others: childhood, play stage, early adulthood, adolescence. So the right answer is early adulthood. Next, 16th question. We here have only three options. In the next page, we'll see more one option and we'll see the answer to. First, 16th question. The characteristic of early adolescent stage: stability of physical changes, criticizing the community, stay calm. Let's see the next option and the answer to. So here the fourth option is dealing consistently with heterosexuals. So the answer is criticizing the community. Second one. 17th question. This law describes the tendency to perceive objects that are close to one another. Law of continuity, law of proximity, law of similarity, law of closure. So the answer is law of proximity. Next, 18th question. In an experiment on studying the influence of glucose on the activeness of the student, the variable activeness of the student is dependent variable, independent variable, intervening variable, uncontrolled variable. So the answer is dependent variable. Let's see the 19th question. Here is the 19th question. ADHD stands for attention deficit hyperactive disorder. So the first is the right option. Next, continue with the 20th question. NCPF stands for National Curricular and Pedagogical Framework. So the second option is the right answer. Next, persons with 21st question. Persons with this type of thinking will get good score in tests related to creativity: concentrate thinking, abstract thinking, associative thinking, divergent thinking. Let's see the answer. So the answer is fourth one, divergent thinking. Next, 22nd question. According to Kohlberg, the characteristics in post-conventional morality: establishment of social order, determining right and wrong by result, to think that everything that fulfills his needs is right, want to follow universal moral values. The answer is want to follow universal moral values. Sorry. 23rd question. The father of mental health movement: Bernard Gates, Clifford Wills, Joel Seed. So the answer is third one. Correct answer I'm saying about. Let's see the 24th question. Any relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of reinforcement and practice. This definition is related to personality, memory, learning, development. So the answer is learning. Next question. More 5 questions are there. Maybe 30 questions I am explaining now. Let's see. 25th question. The type of learning curves occur when learning material is initially very complex, gradually becomes easy, and at last again they are complex. So positively, negatively, S-shaped. So the answer is S-shaped. 26th question. We don't have option here. We'll see option next. One of the following is incorrect sequence with respect to the rule. Development follows an orderly sequence. Alphabet, words, sentences, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, baby teeth, permanent teeth, speaking, listening, reading, writing. Let's see the answer. So here the right answer is speaking, listening, reading, writing. 27th question. The process to forget the painful things, failures, insults, and experiences: projection, repression, regression, or compensation. So the right answer is repression, it seems. 28th question. Here is also a doubt in this question. They have given mechanical intelligence, but the right answer is social intelligence. Let's see if they add marks, it's okay, but if they not, leave it. 28th question. Nagalakshmi makes friendship easily with new persons. This type of intelligence is. Here they have given mechanical intelligence, but it's a social intelligence. According to question, we can understand that. So yeah, more two questions we have. Let's see that. 29th question. ABC card is used for to record the student's family background, to record student health status, to store credits earned by student from online and distance mode, to record the transactions by students from online and bank. So the right answer is to store credits earned by student from online and distance mode. So here we have last question. Reading disability, dyslexia. It's a disability, it seems. I don't know about it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you, I mean, you have learned something. You have written this exam yesterday, 13/10 to 2024 psychology paper, I think so. So okay then, bye.